Hey guys, I got something new for you to check out. Look at this baby. Freaking rear blade. The bolens. Handmade bracket that mounts to the back. Brackets that are on the axle. Welded the old frame that was on the back to the front. I welded this arm on it, which was the arm that attached to the old trailer hitch for the plow. And then I ran a piece of square tubing down to here, where I welded a bolt to the frame, and took an old snowblower handlebar, same thing I used for the Johnny bucket bar, and got it on here. Put the camera down for a sec. I can loosen this up, show you how it works. Now there's the blade down, and the arm down, and you grab the arm, pull on it, and lift the blade up. Then I figure, you know, when I'm done using it, I'll just bungee cord it back so it stays up. I can raise and lower it just like that. A little hard to do off the tractor, but pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I paid $50 for the plow. Nice looking plow. Nice and heavy. Nice and heavy duty. Should work good. And have a skid plate. Set all the way down so it's not totally touching the ground with the cutting edge. So, should work. And here she is, all painted. Got it all painted up. Nice and shiny.